Hello everyone. We did not rehearse this, so I don't know how this is going to go.
I fight for you. So vote for me, peeps.
Hey. How about you just vote for me? And you guys won't die.
Okay, how about you calm down? And just vote for me. Thanks.
What am I doing here? Don't vote for me. I don't know what I'm even doing here.
Okay. Told you I didn't know how this would go.
Vote for me, I will give you all $1,000. If you vote for me.
Don't listen to him. He don't have enough money to buy a cheese stick.
Well, just shut up and vote for me.
Okay. This is the end of the show? Just vote for who you want, just not me. Thanks.